Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in New York, breaking down both the DIY approach and the easier route using professional services. So, why choose New York for your LLC? Well, despite having some higher costs compared to other states, New York offers some serious advantages. You see, it's home to one of the world's largest economies, with incredible access to capital, diverse market opportunities, and a massive customer base. Plus, New York offers strong legal protections for business owners and has well-established business laws that can really benefit your company as it grows. Now, let's talk about the simplest way to form your New York LLC, using Tailor Brands. The thing is, while the DIY method works, using a professional service can save you tons of time and headache. With Tailor Brands, you basically just fill out a simple online form with your business details, and they handle all the complicated paperwork and filing requirements. Here's what you actually get. They'll prepare and file your articles of organization, provide you with a registered agent service for receiving legal documents, and help you create an operating agreement. Actually, they'll even assist with getting your EIN from the IRS and make sure you stay compliant with all state requirements. The cost breakdown is pretty straightforward. You are looking at $399 for their basic package, which covers your state filing fees and registered agent service for the first year. Then there are some optional add-ons like expedited filing for an extra $100 if you need things done quickly, and their premium package at $699 includes extras like business templates and compliance alerts. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle everything yourself, here's how to do it manually. First, you will need to choose a unique business name. The name must end with Limited Liability Company, LLC or LLC, and you can check availability on the New York Department of State website. Then, you need to select a registered agent. This can be yourself if you have a New York address, but many business owners prefer using a professional service to maintain privacy and ensure they never miss important legal documents. The next step is filing your Articles of Organization. You will need to submit this to the New York Department of State, either online or by mail. The filing fee is $200, and processing typically takes 7 to 10 business days. After that, you will need to publish a notice of your LLC formation in 2 newspapers for 6 consecutive weeks. This is actually unique to New York, and the newspapers must be approved by the county clerk where your LLC is located. The publication costs vary by county, but typically range from $200 to $1,200. Now, there are a few more things you will need to handle. Within 120 days of forming your LLC, you must file a certificate of publication with the Department of State, which costs $50. You will also need to create an operating agreement within 90 days of formation. This is actually required by New York law. Then there is the matter of getting your EIN from the IRS, which is free and can be done online. You might also need various business licenses depending on your industry and location. Plus, do not forget about the biennial statement filing, which costs $9 and is due every 2 years. So, what is the best way to go? Well, if you are comfortable handling legal documents and do not mind spending time researching requirements, the DIY method can save you some money. However, you will need to be really organized and careful to meet all deadlines and requirements. The thing is, using Tailor Brands or a similar service can actually be more cost-effective when you factor in the value of your time and the peace of mind knowing everything is being handled correctly. They will keep track of all your deadlines, help you stay compliant, and provide support if you have questions along the way. Basically, whether you choose the DIY route or go with a formation service, make sure you keep good records and stay on top of your ongoing requirements. Set reminders for important deadlines like your biennial statement, and consider working with an accountant to understand your tax obligations. If you are ready to move forward with professional help, I have included a link to Tailor Brands in the description below. They offer a really streamlined process and great customer support to get your LLC up and running quickly. Remember, starting an LLC in New York might seem complicated at first, but taking it step by step makes it totally manageable. Just make sure you follow all the requirements and deadlines, and do not hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. That is all for today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more business tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new business venture.